Okay. We're sitting here with this tender. The radio board's in the middle of the tender. The tender's turned on. It's getting track power. I'm about 15 feet away. About 20 feet away. 30 feet away. Okay. Now, why it won't do that every time 100%? I don't know.
Arriving at track 3, the Buffalo, Ohio Royal Blue Special from New York City. Arriving track 3.
Okay, well, what we're going to do is take a short break. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to work on a Atlantic, which will be a smaller set. I'm going to set this wire radio thing aside for a moment and do some research on it. I also have a issue with my motor controller. I want to check into that. So I've got some loose ends I need to go through on the on Leon's engine. And while I do that, in between printing rolling road parts, people are still buying it. I don't know why. I mean, I use it all the time, so I guess I do know why. I'm going to start on an Atlantic, which will be the less expensive basic model of the next level. So we'll start with that, and I'll get back to you when I can. Thanks.